2 years ago, I joined Santa Lucia Marketing in selling the 128 Nilo Hills. Pinaka-memorable sale ko yung when I met my client in Singapore, with a very close-minded clients regarding condominium. So I was able to turn him everything I explained regarding the benefits of having an investment for a condo units. So he was able to get 2 units. That's very memorable for me because I encountered a person who is very close-minded regarding that concept of buying a condo units as an investment. Yung Santa Lucia Marketing, it helps me a lot in knowing all the people in different walks of life, which is my goal, that to have more friends in the real estate industry. I encourage my fellow brokers to join Santa Lucia Marketing because their marketing perks are so amazing. Ako si Gloria Gonzalez, ang isang real estate broker, and I'm very proud to be a sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing Cebu.
Join us and be the next champion sales partner.